the new cases today, we had 268 new cases, 147 recoveries, 4 people have lost their lives. So the total active cases as of now is 2,136. I don't have the number with me right now. Number one would be the fact that this strain is much more deadlier. We are seeing that this is impacting even young people. Most of the cases who are passing away are people with comorbidities. So therefore it is affecting them even more. So that is one of the reasons that we are seeing. Second reason, of course, is that in large number of cases we are seeing some kind of a late response that is coming in. So a lot of the cases are where we are seeing people being brought in where it's very difficult to bring them, to recover them, because it's already gone at a point where it's very difficult to recover. So therefore, we have been urging people that please, take early treatments. As I said, that when you're a B category case, when you start seeing symptoms and all, then there are prescriptions that have been given by AIIMS and others, so that you can control that and avoid to go into a stage where you are become a C or a D category by taking certain tablets. It could, and it is seen that it is helping. So early intervention by the individuals is also one case of the reason why this is happening. The early intervention is not happening because the response from the people is sometimes slightly late. So this is the reason, but main reason is that we are seeing this strain to be much more stronger and affecting people in much more lethal manner.